Open a new blank workbook and in cell A1 and B1 type 456. Click cell F1 to make it active. On the View tab in the Window group, click Split. Notice that your screen splits vertically in two different panes. In the horizontal scroll bar of the right pane, click and hold down the right arrow until cell AA1 shows. Notice that cell A1 and B1 are still displayed in the left plane. Now click Split again and notice the split goes away. Click cell A17 and click Split. Notice this time the split is horizontal into two different panes. All right, we'll click Split again. Click cell F14. You can also use the name box to type F14 to get to cell F14 and click Split. Notice that it now splits into 4 panes. In the lower right quadrant, we're going to click any cell in that pane. And we're going to scroll down until we get to row 40. There's row 40. We're going to click cell H40 and type 236. Press Enter. We still see our cells A1 and B1, but we now also see a number here in A40. H40. When we click Split again, the 236 in H40 is no longer shown, but it is still there. That is the Excel 2016 split command.